Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2016 Cadillac Escalade with a 6.2 liter engine. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do under the hood is remove the oil cap. Take a look at that oil cap. It's going to tell you exactly what type of oil, 0W20, and that's of course going to be synthetic oil. You want to also make sure that it's Dexos approved. All right, real quick, let's just make sure we check all of our fluids and our air filter under the hood, and then let's get under the truck. Now underneath the truck, we're just going to go ahead and remove the drain plug. And then we'll completely drain out the oil into a nice receptacle. Once you get the drain plug off, make sure that the gasket comes off as well. And then of course, once this is done dripping, we'll clean it down. Let's remove the oil filter. Go ahead and fill your oil filter. Take some of that oil and just put it along the gasket. Before you put your new filter on, go ahead and clean down the mating surface. Make sure there's no existing gasket from your original filter. Put on your oil filter till it bottoms out. And then just give it a little bit of a turn after it bottoms out. Wipe down the drain plug area. Reinstall your drain plug. We'll bottom this out, and then we're going to torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and put a funnel in here, and then add our 8 quarts of 020 oil. Let's get the oil cap back on. Go ahead and start up the truck. Let it run for a few seconds, turn it off, then we'll get outside and check that oil level. With the engine off, let's go ahead and remove the dipstick, wipe it clean, and then reinsert it so we can recheck the oil level. Let's turn that dipstick and we can see the hatched area. Anywhere inside the hatched area is looking good, especially in the center. If you're below it, you need to add, and if you're above it, you need to make sure that you go ahead and drain some out. This looks great. Let's reinstall it. To reset the maintenance light on this, we want to make sure that the engine's running. And then we're going to use the gauge cluster up here. We're going to go ahead and press over to the side so that the light up comes all the way to the left. And once it's all the way over there, you can continue by scrolling up and down until you find oil life maintenance. Once you've found that, go ahead and hold the select button, and then that's going to reset the oil life. All right, that's reset. Let's go ahead and turn off the engine. Now we'll just turn it back on again and just ensure that it is actually reset. Now you're safe to take it for a road test. Okay friends, so that's pretty much what I've got for a 2016 Cadillac Escalade with a 6.2 liter engine. If there's anything I missed or something you want to talk about, leave it in the comment section below, because I always love to hear from you. If you like the video, smash on the like button for me. It would mean the world. While you're at it, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell. That way there you can be kept up with all of our latest content. Thanks.